In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Prime Video. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this error while trying to log in or watch Prime Video movies, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue. First, you want to ensure that you have an active account. If your subscription has reached an expiry date, you need to renew your account. But should this not be the case, then you want to check and clear browser data to fix the issue. For that, just go to your browser and click on the three lines and then head to delete browsing history, and by clicking on this, now you can select the period to clear or delete the history. Confirm by clicking on delete data here, and once you're done, now go back to your Prime Video account, log in and see if the problem has gone away. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. Now you should be able to watch videos. However, should this not work, then you might want to check and ensure that you are not connected to a VPN. Sometimes the usage of VPN might be the reason you are experiencing this. You also want to ensure that you have a stable network connectivity. But even after trying all this, if it doesn't work, for that it might be that Prime Video is experiencing a server error, and for that you need to wait for some few minutes, check in later, and now you should be able to watch videos without any issue. So that's how you can fix something went wrong error on your Prime Video account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.